Well, it's been snowing for about an hour. It slowed down a little bit, but we're starting to get the first snow of our big snowstorm that they're calling for. This is 11:30 on Christmas Eve day, 11:30 a.m. See the railing? That's always a good indicator of how much we've had. So we got that much in an hour, and it is really wet. If you see, there's standing water. It's barely freezing, and so it's still sticking pretty good for it being so wet on the ground. As I'm talking to you, the flakes are getting bigger again. There's the other indicators we have, is the stump and the buck's shelter over there, and the roof of the barn too. So you can see we've just got a little bit, but some of these flakes are pretty big. So we'll see what happens. This is Christmas Eve. We're going to have a white Christmas this year, I'm pretty sure. It's supposed to snow all night. Well, it kind of stopped and melted off, and now it's starting up again. I think by morning we're going to have some white ground. Everything's going to be covered. It's coming down pretty good. See how fast he eats that. Watch how fast he can eat a pig ear, guys. That's his favorite thing, pig ears. She's got lots of nummies in there, doesn't she? Almost. Oh no, Naomi, where's your other ball? Nope.
I don't know what to do with it.
Did he squeeze it? Oh, that's the other one. What do you got, Naomi? Good boy, buddy. Well, it took 2 days instead of one, but we got more snow. This is the day after Christmas, 7:30 in the morning. You can see on the top of the barn roof. The dogs are enjoying it, except they lost their balls that they got for Christmas. Can't find them. There's the stump and the buck shelter. There's Naomi pulling Buddy by his collar. Well, here it is, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on December 26th. I showed you earlier video in the morning, and can't really look at the rail because I had a couple grandkids to wipe the rail off. But if you look on the roof of the barn, plus those nice caps on the posts, you also can't tell on the stump because my granddaughter got the snow off of that too. But look on the roof of the buck's house. And the roof of the barn there too. It's quite a bit of snow on that. Sure is nice to see a little blue sky there. Makes the mountain look real pretty with all that snow on it. You notice all the snow on our roof. I haven't measured it this morning, but when I measured it yesterday, there was 9 inches. We got a little bit more over the night. Of course, our railing got cleared off, so you can't really tell by the railing. Our poor little car is covered though. It hasn't gone anywhere yet. Rodney's going to be going to work today, so it's got to get cleaned off today. The bug house is covered pretty good too. Poor little rose bush looks sad. Naomi doesn't care. Do you, Naomi? I think she likes her Christmas present. The car's almost unburied, so Rod can get to work. I said it wasn't supposed to snow till 9 o'clock tonight. It's 1:15, been snowing for an hour or so. So we might get a bunch more. So they're a little wet and muddy, but they're out here eating in the snow. Can't see all the mud, but they have a path to the important things. They have a path to the food and the water. And I don't know as that electric fence is doing much good. I don't know if you can hear it snapping. It's buried in the snow. It's all along the bottom. And we measured it, and we have 12 inches on the ground now. Everything's a little buried. Well, they talk about things being pretty as a picture. That blue sky back there now. Our snowy mountain across the way. Yep, this is pretty as a picture. Thanks for watching our video of our snowy day. It's now a couple days after Christmas, but we definitely had a white Christmas, and it got whiter after that. So, hope you enjoyed watching our snow. Talk to you next time. Have a great day.